Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to steam milk with an espresso machine. This will be an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see right here, I have this espresso machine and I'm going to use this machine to steam this milk. Now, if you want to steam milk, your espresso machine has to have a steam wand just like this one right here. It doesn't have to look identical to this, but it's going to have a steam wand that works in this way right here, that basically dispenses steam that will allow you to steam the milk. So with this machine right here, it's very easy to use. When I want to use the steam, I just have to turn it to steam mode and then it will obviously use the steam, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure we're going to power it back on right now. As you can see, it's just going to warm up really quickly. I have this cold jug right here that is filled with cold milk. Very, very important. Now, when you steam milk, it's going to increase in volume. So you don't want to fill it up all the way. I would say that, you should fill about a third of the jug with milk if you want to do it in an ideal situation. So right over here, once again, it's already set to steam mode. Basically, I'm going to tell you what to do and then I'll demonstrate it. What you want to do is you want to insert the tip of the steam wand just a little bit below the surface of the milk to draw in some air into the milk. And then you want to sort of bring the steam wand deeper in the milk as well as angle the pitcher. And when you angle the pitcher, it's going to create almost like a whirlpool effect. And eventually the milk is going to get nice and warm. You're going to feel the jug warm up. When you feel it start to warm up and get hot, that's when you remove it and you will have steamed the milk. You're probably going to get an increase. You should get an increase in volume in the milk, like I said, as well. It's very simple and easy to do. So once again, we're going to start off before we start, we want to purge the steam wand, which I've already done, but I'll show you how to do it. You just want to turn on the steam wand without anything in it. Okay, very simple. And as you can see, there's some milk from when I used it previously. I just made a coffee a few minutes ago. So it's just warming up. You're going to have to just give it a few quick seconds. But essentially, we're purging the steam wand. So you're just going to turn on the steam wand, okay? And you're just going to let the steam wand do nothing. You see it's just releasing all of that water right there. Just like that. Rub it a few times. Turn it off, okay? Now, this machine has an interesting function where when you turn off the steam wand, it purges the rest of the heat right here. As you can hear, this makes sure that when you turn it to coffee mode, to espresso mode, that it's not going to overheat the espresso, which is a cool feature, as you can see right there. But it is quite noisy right now when I'm trying to make a video. So once you've purged your steam wand, okay, you want to go ahead and you want to insert the steam wand just slightly below the surface of the milk. So I know it's kind of hard to see, but the steam wand is slightly below the surface of the milk. I'm going to steam it, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to tilt the jug like that, and hopefully I'll let you see what's going on, and it's going to create like a whirlpool effect. So slightly below the surface of the milk, as you can see right there, we're going to turn the steam wand on. Okay, it's going to start to steam in just a moment. And you can control the wand as well. So I'm going to bring the wand a little bit lower, slightly below the surface. I can already see it's starting to create some bubbles because it's starting to steam just a little bit as it's warming up. And then once your steam wand starts to work, you're going to tilt it. So as you can see right here, okay, we're drawing in the air. Now we angle it, create that whirlpool effect, just like that. Keep your hand on the jug. You want to feel the temperature of the jug, as you can see right there. Okay, just like that, it's starting to warm up. Okay, bring it down just like that. I feel it's starting to get warm. Now we're creating the whirlpool by going on an angle. The milk is twirling around. The steam wand is towards the bottom of the jug. Very important. I'm feeling it heat up now, and that's good to go. Just as you can see right there. So you can see that the texture of the milk, as you can see on the wand right there, sorry about the noise once again, the texture of the milk is different. I've steamed the milk, it's thickened up, so it's increased in volume. The jug is nice and warm. This milk has been steamed, it's good to go. As you can see, it's a little bit thicker. Now, there's a huge difference between steamed milk and froth milk. Steamed milk is warmed up, a little bit thicker. Froth milk has microfoam on it and these smaller bubbles. So that being said, this is how you steam milk with an espresso machine. As you can see, when I tilt the milk like this, I'll tilt it on this side and then I'll move it. So you can see on the edge of the jug there, all of the milk is still sitting there. So it's sort of, it has some texture, as you can see right over there. And that's basically it. That is how to steam milk. You want to insert it into the wand. Like I said, angle it get it slightly below the surface and then angle it so then it creates that whirlpool effect where it spins the milk. And then obviously wipe your wand and purge your wand after. So I'm going to obviously go ahead and steam and purge the steam wand now that I'm done. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.